So now that you have a good understanding of what variables are, let's talk a little bit about strings and numbers. When you're entering information into a variable, we are adding a value to that variable. But there are two types of values we can add to a variable. These are strings and numbers. Let's go over numbers first. Numbers are used for simple math equations and calculations. We will be working with numbers a lot in this course. But for now, let's focus on strings. Strings are used for storing text and words. Here is an example of a string being used in a command. The string in this example is that part of the text that is in the quotations, like I have highlighted here. Here are some more examples of strings commonly used in JavaScript. Strings can either be single quoted or double quoted. So now that you know what numbers and strings are, we can now move on further in the course. We will be working with strings and numbers a lot, so it's good to have a solid foundation and understanding of how they work in JavaScript.